Hey, what's going on guys? Ryan back here at detailking.com today, and joining me is Detail King's newest ambassador, Jay. He's gonna walk you guys through on how to do a full wash up on a motorcycle. Okay guys, so the first step of this wash up is definitely going to be to tackle the wheels and tires. Here Jaden is using Detail King's Special Force Cleaner. It's a non-caustic cleaner, so it won't spot the finish of these rims, but it'll still be strong enough to remove the brake dust, dirt, and grime. He's also going to use various brushes. The first brush he is using is out of the Woolie's brush package. It's their boar's hair brush. It has soft enough bristles that it's not going to scratch or mar the finish of the wheels, but it's still strong enough to remove that top layer of brake dust, dirt, and grime. He's also going to be using a detail brush that also has the perfect bristles for this job on all the spokes. Now that all the dirt is agitated and lifted, he's going to simply wipe it off with a microfiber towel. So after cleaning these wheels, it was clear to us that we needed to use a more aggressive method to clean them. However, we still wanted to be gentle so we didn't mar, scratch, or spot the finish of these aluminum wheels. So we chose to use a steamer. Jaden is using Vapormore's 750 MR steamer. It's their heavy duty steamer, along with a horsehair bristled attachment to help agitate some of the more stubborn brake dust that's still embedded into the finish of the wheel. Now there's also many other methods you can use, such as waterless washes, spray foams, or low pressure wash with more aggressive chemicals. However, we decided this was going to be the best method to clean these wheels. Moving forward, it was time to clean the tires. Jaden used Detail King's Tire and White Wall Cleaner. It also has a darkening agent in it that leaves your tires with a satin-like new finish rather than a shiny finish if you're not a fan of tire dressing. He is also using Detail King's Tire and White Wall Brush to agitate and lift the dirt. Then he will simply remove the lifted dirt with a terry towel. Because the steamer was so effective at cleaning the wheels, we decided it was the best option to use when cleaning the rest of the bikes. With different attachments, we were able to reach in all the small crevices and cracks, along with a detail brush that also helped. We simply wiped away the lifted, or with the steamer you could say melted dirt, with a microfiber towel. Okay guys, so that was our full wash up on the motorcycle. This is going to be a 3-part series. Next, we're going to be showing how to polish wheels and all the other chrome and metal pieces on the bike. And then we're going to be paint correcting all the painted areas. So make sure you watch out for those videos to come. For any more information on the products we use today, make sure you check them out right here at detailking.com, where we have all the products you need to keep your car clean like a Detail King. See you guys next time.